In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a custom domain to a Replit project. First, sign into your Replit account. Then from the left-hand side, we will click on apps and then click on the app or website which you want to connect the domain to. From here, we will just select domains next to resources and manage. Once you click on domains, then you will see an option to buy a new domain or connect your own custom domain. So we want to click on connect your own domain. Now you will need to have a paid plan in order to connect your domain. And once you have chosen your domain, I'm just going to use Hostinger here as an example. You will go and locate your domain here. So I'm just going to click on the domain itself. And now we will go into DNS addresses. So I'm just going to copy this domain first, like I said, and I will paste the domain itself and select next. Why we went into DNS and name servers is for this reason. If you scroll down, you will see manage DNS records. So right here, what you need to do is to copy these records. So the first one is going to be a, at, and these numbers. So you will obviously connect this and type this to your appropriate domain provider. So here, I'm just going to do that. A, at, and you want to click on add record. Afterwards, you will then type txt type at, and this is going to be the website. So you will choose type txt at, and you will paste the value here. And again, you will add the record. After you have added those records to your custom domain, you will simply click on link. It's going to verify, and that's how you connect a custom domain to Replit. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.